Download Facebook videos on mobile phone for free, 2022. Open Facebook.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Select any video. Tap on 3 dots and tap on copy link. Open your Google Chrome browser. Paste the link of the video. Tap the web address. Tap on the pencil button. Tap on video. Tap on 3 dots, then tap on download.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Open your gallery or videos.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
If you like this video, do give a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thank you.